Now, before we have a burping contest, I shall sing a song. Down, 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 down. You're cooling down. Down, 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 down. Yes, yes, yes. And amazing. Every day I walk by the fridge, baby, and I see you shining. And I see you shining. That beautiful red and white colors. Yeah. And I just think about that wonderful taste. Wonderful. The cool taste. Alrighty then, enough of that. Now, we are going to have a burping contest. Are you ready? Come out my nose. Second round. You messed me up. That was really gross. It smelled like pizza. That kind of might have been it's like vomit. Okay. Real second round. Third. Do you want to go first? Okay. I feel something coming on! You always mess me up because you make me laugh right before we go to burp. That means I win. Get it? Go. Shut up. Don't move my mouth. We're really hyper today. We're high on life, I swear. We're not on drugs or anything. We're just really hyper today. Go before I do. Damn it. I'm done. Puke, please go to the bathroom. Your turn, if you can. Go, 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 go. My dad comes up. What are girls doing? Okay, so it's like 1 o'clock or so, and her dad's sleeping, and we're being retarded, and she reminds me of peanut butter and jelly guy. Peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time. Where you at? 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 Now J-Lo, 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 J-Lo. Peanut butter jelly, 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 peanut butter jelly. Let me throw that out. Peanut butter jelly. We both burped each other. What's that? Some of you people may recognize this spoon out there. So guess what, guys?